It is one of the most
Every cut is inspected by both packaged and preserved. The product is bought.
It is one of the most sustainable and leanest premium proteins in the culinary world.
Inside, the environment is kept at a perfect draft-free temperature to ensure the utmost comfort for the breeding does.
For the first few weeks, the kits rely entirely on maternal milk, growing rapidly in the safety of the nest.
As they wean, they are transitioned to spacious, group, grow-out pens, where socialization and premium nutrition take over.
The secret to the incredibly tender, lean meat lies in a highly specialized, fibrous diet. Automated systems distribute the feed multiple times a day, ensuring a continuous, fresh supply tailored to their exact growth stage.
Strict biosecurity, constant fresh air circulation, and zero-stress handling are the strict standards of the farm.
All clear on the health check, data logged.
Perfect. They are looking very healthy today.
Reaching peak maturity, the rabbits are carefully and calmly gathered for transport to the culinary facility. Following a swift, highly regulated process, the product enters an ultra-modern clinical culinary facility.
Every cut is inspected by both artificial intelligence and master butchers to ensure zero imperfections.
Because of its incredibly low fat content, the meat must be handled with care and sealed rapidly to lock in moisture.
Packaged and preserved, the product is boxed in a near-freezing environment to maintain a flawless cold chain.
Autonomous warehouse systems organize the pallets, ready for global, temperature-controlled distribution.
When consistency matters, there's only one choice. Clover Meadow delivers every time. From the quiet pastures to the intense heat of the pan, a delicate protein that requires culinary mastery.
A perfect golden sear, revealing an incredibly tender, mild, and lean center.
And here is the Clover Meadow special. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks absolutely exquisite.
The ultimate standard in sustainable, premium dining.